Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is just kind of like a little unboxing video. I've never done one before. Done my reviews on my beige stuff, but I got a new iPad. I'm in the process of selling my iPad 2nd generation that I've had forever, but never used it. But I have an iPad for work that I really like, and I'm pretty sure it's the same one. And I know that when the time comes and I end that job, I won't be able to keep that iPad, so I bought myself the same one. So the new iPad that came out last year, 9th generation, Wi-Fi only, and 256 gigabyte. I got the 256 gigabyte one because I felt like I had more memory space, and my other one only had 16 gigabyte, and the memory went out really fast. And then I got this wireless keyboard / case on Amazon in pink, and it had really good reviews, so hopefully works well and everything. And I got a high sensitivity stylus pen, which I have to open. So I guess that'll be the first thing I open for the video. There's mixed reviews on it. Didn't want to spend 80 bucks on the iPad Pencil, so I got this one instead, and if it doesn't work, I'll just return it. But I like that it came with different little tips for it, and it seems pretty similar to the pictures I've seen of the iPad Pencil. It has a good weight to it. So excited to see if that works. It came with also disc tips and a little cleansing cloth and the user guide. So there's that. And I guess it's time to open the iPad. Also in the process of selling my MacBook Air from 2017, so trying to erase that, which is very hard, harder than I thought it would be to erase a Mac to factory settings, so kind of struggling there. Apple's supposed to call me back in 2 days because I was getting help from Apple support, and then they couldn't figure it out, so I'm waiting for a call back. I love unboxing Apple products. I feel like all the packaging they have is so satisfying to open. So hopefully this is nicely in the frame. I remember my beige video, I filmed it on my phone, like vertically, and so I didn't format well. Sorry, got distracted by it. So I don't know if it's charged or not or anything. It'll turn on, but there is that. Came with obviously all the little papers and stuff. USB-C charger for it. And yeah, I think that's about it. I don't know if I can try turning it on. Oh! Making progress. So all that's starting up. I will open the case for it. Oh! Yay, hello! And then time to set it up. Oh my god, it's so exciting. I think that's probably the best part of getting new Apple products is a little hello message and all the setup stuff for it. So here's the case, and I'll link everything in the description. It's also got the keyboard case for it also. It feels really nice. It feels really protective. Let's see if we can just place it in right off the bat. See if it fits well. I like how there's a little slot for the Apple Pencil. fits really well. What else? Oh, I was gonna see if the pencil fit in the little slot for it. Let's see. Some people had said that it's a little bit thick, so it's kind of hard to close. But it seems to be okay. This is magnetic, so when you're not using it, you can take it out and then like that. It does seem a little loose, but not too bad. I want to get a screen protector for the iPad, so when it's like placed on it, it doesn't, I mean, there's a little case on it, so it wouldn't scratch or anything, but just for extra protection. I found a really good, what's it called? Screen protector that apparently makes it feel more like you're writing on paper. So I wanted to get that. And I'll link that one too. I haven't bought it yet. But yeah, so just a little unboxing video and some first thoughts. Short little video. I think that's it. I'm going to set up the iPad. And yeah. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any tips on how to properly erase a MacBook Air, because that's not shown, because that's a big struggle. That was today's struggle. But I hope everyone had a good weekend, and yeah, bye. Thank you for watching.